once you start doing passive houses, it's really difficult to think about anything else.
You have to kind of change your thinking a little bit.
And I'm here with EMU Systems taking the Certified Passive House Tradesperson training. Class was excellent. I really enjoyed it.
I actually learned a huge amount to the point where I'm planning on changing the way I build. I just think this really made a lot of sense in the context of where we should be going as a country and as a people.
I'm going to use as a tool to show our company what we're doing and how we can improve.
I just can't say enough about the class.
Enjoyed the camaraderie, the people, the enthusiasm.
And found Enrico to be very good teacher, master of this information, excellent analogies to help explain things.
I've been a green builder for 16 years and I came in here, it was like trying to drink from a fire hose.
There was so much information, useful information.
Hi, I'm Greg Fisher. I'm an architect from Fort Collins, Colorado.
Yeah, I'm Chris Smith. I'm with Zender America.
My name is Dave Edwards. I'm a general contractor with Earthbound Homes out of the Silicon Valley in California.
My name is Mark Vigil, and I work in the architectural office, need-based.
Steve Mann, Home Energy Services.
I'm Raul Rodriguez with TR Concepts in Santa Fe, New Mexico.
We're actually going to be required to be building zero-energy homes.
It's the only way to build houses, and I just keep diving in deeper and deeper.
There's a certain non-sustainability to putting giant PV systems on a house.
Rather than using some of the mechanical applications that we've been leaning toward, really probably don't need to be doing that, and we can probably encourage them to put their money towards insulation, better fenestration.
Hygienic, balanced ventilation with heat recovery is critical to passive house.
It started making sense to me to really increase the efficiency of our buildings. Really, we could make it more cost-effective for everybody to build hence zero-energy homes as opposed to just the people that can afford big photovoltaic systems on their house.
It's like an addiction almost, but a good one.